Welcome in, guys. This is going to be a trip for Mother's Day. Stick around, hang tight, and hope you enjoy. Come here, Mama.
Mama, what?
We'll let fine. Mother's
I
Day.
thought you were stuck.
Down up.
Mother's Day, Mother.
Alright, guys, so we're out dragging, trying to catch some of these pre-spawn blue cats, and this right here is about to be my mom's new PB. So normally we'd be mic'd up, but today we were just kind of running cameras and hanging out with family. We're going to make the best of it. I really hope you guys enjoy.
Now reel down. Now stop. Pull it up.
There you go. Alright, hold on. Pick up.
That's a good fish here, honey.
18. Mama's new 18-pound baby blue. Go get.
Here you go. That's a good fish. That's the biggest thing, huh?
Yeah.
18 pounds.
It's the biggest fish Mama's ever caught in her life.
Yep.
Yeah.
Up and reel.
Other than myself.
My baby.
That's bigger than bait stealers you catch, ain't it?
Yeah. They put up a fight though. I like them.
Well, what do you think about these?
They hard.
They put us a fight too, don't they?
Yeah, they do. They hard.
What's the bigger one there, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they
Rod down. Reel. Got it. Why y'all gotta trash my peg floats? There we go.
slimy little devil. Catch a good one yesterday.
Go, babe, go.
He's a painter fish. Just, yeah.
Back up.
Get on the surface. Quit digging. Quit digging. There he comes up. All right, fish number 3. All right, listen, bro. I'm gonna release you. Don't freak. I just told you, don't freak out. It doesn't take that much pressure. You just can't put that snap on it. You've got to slap it. Jamie, you better get back here.
Go to camera and cinematic.
All right, well. Jamie, I'm gonna need you to go to the rear. Never mind. We're okay. I got mine on the surface. I can. let him finish peeing. Hey, fish number 4, little 10, 12.
Fish number 5, here's a 22.
That's a mama fish.
All right, Susan.
Go ahead.
No,
That's a mama fish.
reel. Reel, reel, reel. Go ahead, Steve. Go ahead and hop down. Sorry, Steve.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, he didn't put up as much of a fight.
Yeah.
Hey. Fish number
6.
no, 7, 6. Fish number 6. It's a beautiful
Put your
morning.
hand down.
Talkative little feller.
Oh, yeah, you know.
Yeah, well, that's what you get, bud. That's what you get.
You got lines going everywhere.
I don't know what's going on anymore. I'm not even pretending like I know. What are you doing, fish?
I told you that on the bottom. Well, that black.
Another little fish. So is this number 7?
Number 8.
Number 8. Fish number 8. The last time I fished here in the dark, Steve,
And cold up, man. Well, he's just good.
step back there.
Bring it to you. Good fish.
There we go. Y'all check it out. Doesn't have an eye. We got a nice eye right here.
Oh, that number 9.
No eye. Pretty dark little 12-pounder.
Just start for a second.
That's a good one.
Stay on the rear, or in the floor. Go side. You just keep him tight. Do not let the bow out of that rod. While Jamie's fighting this fish, I just want to go ahead and take a moment to thank everybody for watching the video this far through. If you've enjoyed it, please hit the like, leave us a comment, let us know your favorite part if you could. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you've really enjoyed this and you're sad that this video is approaching the end, you can always find another video on the channel that will be listed right here at the end, ready for you guys to just keep carrying on and watching the next trip. Thank you for hanging out, and God bless, guys. Enjoy.
Woo!
Cradle the baby.
Turn toward me just a little bit. There it is. That's what I'm freaking talking about.
Whew.
Fish number 10 for the day. 41? Is that what it
41.
41 pounds. I got it.